Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can change your Roblox account's location, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to change your Roblox account's location easily. So first off, you're going to log in with your Roblox account. Once you're done logging in, you're going to click on to settings here, and then you're going to scroll down on here and you should have account location here. You'll have an option to change your account location here, but if you don't like me, then you're going to scroll down. You're going to click on to help. Here, you're going to click onto Roblox account. I need help with my account. After that, you're going to search for location on here. And then you're going to click onto account location. You're going to scroll down, click contact support here. And then you're going to fill in these details. Once you're done with these details, now you're going to click onto device type. So I'm on a computer, so I'm going to put PC on here. After that, you're going to click onto help category. Scroll down, click how to. Go into help subcategory. And then change my location, and here you're going to describe your issue, and then you're going to send this form to the Roblox support, and once they see this form they will reach out to you in a couple of working days, and after that they will probably ask you for verification that you're in that country that you want to change your location to. So they'll ask you for your ID or your passport, and once you provide that verification, then they'll change your account's location to that location. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.